Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will take a break from numbers and learning new words. And today we will do some fun and interesting activity. Today we will practice reading in Hindi. Now friends, we will read very easy and simple 2 or 3 letter words which will help in forming very short sentences, either 2 or 3 word sentences. And why I say it is going to be easy is because none of these words will have any extra matras in them, and hence revising the words and the Hindi alphabets will be very easy for us. So let's get started. Our first sentence for the day is a 2 word sentence, ab chal. A plus b becomes ab and ch plus l becomes chal. Ab chal. Ab means now and chal means come. It also means walk. So you can say now walk, ab chal, or you can say come on now. It's a colloquial way of saying that come on, come with me, ab chal mere saath, So ab chal means come on now, because we have said ab. So ab means now. Come on now, or come with me. Let's take the second sentence. Ka ma la. Ka plus ma becomes kam. Kam plus la becomes kamal. Kamal. And ra plus kha becomes rak. Kamal rak. Kamal means lotus and rak means to put. So put the lotus. Now here in this video we see the person is asking to put the lotus in water. Kamal rak. Put the lotus. Then let's take the third sentence for the day. Ghar chal. Gha plus ra becomes ghar and cha plus la becomes chal. Ghar chal. That means walk home or come home. Chal means walk. Chal also means to come. So ghar chal means come home, because ghar means home. Then next sentence is hal chak. Ha plus la becomes hal and cha plus kha becomes chak. Phal chak. Taste the fruit. So phal means fruit, chak means to taste. So taste the fruit. Phal chak. Then comes das gaj. The plus sa becomes das and ga plus ja becomes gaj. Das gaj. That means 10 yards. Das is 10 and gaj is the Hindi equivalent of yard. So 10 yards is das gaj. Then comes ek kamal. We already learned how to read kamal. A plus ka becomes ek and ka plus ma plus la becomes ka ma la. Kamal. Ek kamal. One lotus. Then next sentence. Jal bhar. Ja plus la becomes jal and bha plus ra becomes bhar. Jal bhar. Fill the water. Jal means water. Bhar means to fill. Fill water. That is jal bhar. Then comes the next sentence. Dar mat. Da plus ra becomes dar and ma plus ta becomes mat. Dar mat. That means don't be afraid. Now let's challenge ourselves a bit. Let's take a 3-word sentence. Rath par chadh. Ra plus tha becomes rath. That's a chariot. P plus R becomes par, that is on. And Ch plus Dh becomes chadh, that is to climb. So climb the chariot. Rath par chadh. Another three-word sentence is Ab nagar chal. A plus B becomes ab. N plus G plus R becomes nagar. And Ch plus L becomes chal. So ab means now. Nagar means city. And chal means to come. Let's go to the city or let's come to the city. And the last sentence for the day is a 4-word sentence. Jal par mat chal. Ja plus la becomes jal. Pa plus ra becomes par. Ma plus ta becomes mat. And cha plus la becomes chal. Now jal means water. Par pa ra. Par means on. Mat ma ta. Mat means don't. And cha la here would mean walk. Don't walk on water. That is, colloquially it would mean that you would slip on water. So be careful. So friends, I hope this video was a nice revision of the Hindi alphabets, that is the Vyanjan and the Swar of Hindi Varnmala. And I hope you enjoyed and you liked the video. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.